Hello, my name is Kavita and I'm founder of Tots and Moms Foods. If your child has completed 6 months, congratulations. One milestone is achieved because from formula feeding, breastfeeding to now introduction of complementary feeding is going to start. You have to make the right decision for your child's health and immunity. So first thing, start with fruits or vegetable puree and then slowly move on to single ingredient foods like sprouted ragi powder, Kerala banana powder or red rice cereal from Tots and Moms. There are two ingredients foods which are again chosen well because they need to be easily digestible. So moong dal and rice, after a week you can start. Oats khichdi, ragi and oats, these are instant mixes. You can mix it up with hot water and offer to your child. These are cereals, need a bit of cooking but amazing dual ingredient foods like banana oats, barley and rice and banana and rice. These are all available at shop.totsandmoms.com. And yes, why did I say make a right decision? Because when I started the weaning journey, I saw the most famous brands having a lot of chemicals and preservatives in baby foods, and I did not want to feed that chemical to my child in her weaning journey in the first promising days of her health and growth. So this brand is how it evolved, and I am reaching out through this brand to make the right decision. Mission Healthy Next Gen is our motto, and all the best for your weaning journey.